Hi guys, I'm going to give you some notes for experiment 6. This will be part A. Okay, in part A of this lab, we are going to create a magnesium oxide compound of unknown formula. We have a pretty good idea of what it should be, but we're going to be reacting magnesium metal with oxygen gas, and we're going to make some kind of magnesium oxide compound. And our goal is to demonstrate what the empirical formula is experimentally. Okay, you are given the following data. The mass of magnesium, the mass of the crucible, its cover, and then you are also given the mass of the crucible, cover, and the compound inside of it. I'm going to call this A, I'll call this B to save on my notes. We can calculate, well, let me first say, to calculate the empirical formula, we need the mass of magnesium and we need the mass of oxygen that is in our compound that gets formed. Okay, we already have the mass of the magnesium because that's given. The mass of the oxygen is going to come from the mass of the compound minus the mass of the magnesium. So then the question becomes, how do we get the mass of the compound? The mass of the compound we can get from A and from B. I think you probably could figure that out. So the mass of the crucible, the cover, and the compound, we'll call that B, minus the mass of the crucible and the cover will give us the mass of the compound, our magnesium oxide compound. We can then take this number, place it in here, subtract our mass of the magnesium, and then we'll have the mass of the oxygen. So our first task was to get the mass of each element in our compound. We've done that. Now we need to convert those masses to moles. So we'll take the mass of the magnesium and divide it by the molar mass of magnesium. Which we find on the periodic table. That's 24.31 grams. From here, you should be able to refer to videos for the rest of the calculation of the empirical formula of this magnesium oxide compound. But in step 3, what you'll do is you'll find the smallest number of moles in the magnesium and the oxygen and divide both the magnesium and the oxygen by that smallest number, and that will give you your mole ratios. Okay, good luck, guys.